Question number 1, 3, sum of three numbers of GP of AP is equal to 21. When added 2, 2 and 14, then they become GP, right? So this is the question we have. This is the question we have, that sum of the three numbers of AP is 21. When added 2, 2, 4, 14, then they become GP. Now let numbers of AP are A minus D, A and A plus D, and their sum is equal to 21. So A minus D plus A plus A plus D is equal to 21. Minus D plus D is gone, so we get 3A is equal to 21. So we can say A is equal to 7. Now we get A is equal to 7. So number becomes 7 minus D, 7 minus D, 7 and 7 plus D. On adding 2, 2 and 14, they become in GP. They become in GP. Okay. So now we take 7 minus D plus 2, and we have 7 plus 2, and we have 7 plus D plus 2. So we get 9 minus D, 9 minus D, 9 and 9 plus D. In GP. Now if we take A is equal to A2 is equal to AR. So A2 is 9 is equal to A 9 minus d into r. So we can write 9 upon 9 minus d is equal to r. Now a3 is equal to ar square. So a3 is, oh sorry, I made a mistake here. We have to add here 14. So there is 14. So it is 21. 21 d, right? So now 21 plus d is equal to 9 minus d into r square. Bring this 21 plus d upon 9 minus d is equal to 9 upon 9 minus d whole square. Put the values square. So this 9 minus d and this is cancelled out. So we get 21 plus d into 9 minus d is equal to 81. It's 189 plus 9d minus 21d minus d square is equal to 81. This is we get. Now when we solve this, so we bring all these on the other side, so there it will be d square plus 21d minus 9d minus 189 plus 81 is equal to 0. So it is d square plus 12d minus 108 is equal to 0. So when we take d square plus 18 minus 6 d minus 108 is equal to 0. So we will get d square plus 18d minus 6d minus 108 0. Now we take d as a common, it becomes d plus 18, 18 minus 6 common, d plus 18. D plus 18 is equal to 0. So d plus 18 and d minus 6 is equal to 0. So d plus 18 is equal to 0. So d is equal to minus 18. And here d minus 6 is equal to 0. So d is equal to 6. So now the number will be so number of AP. So number of AP 7 minus d comma 7 comma 7 plus d. So it becomes 7 minus 6, 7 minus 6 comma 7 comma 7 plus 6. So you get 1 comma 7 comma 30. This is AP. This is we get AP. Fine. Now Now if we rub all this, here I make little bit, and then after, to cross check, AP is 1, 7 and 13. So on adding, they become GP when 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, comma 7 plus 2, 9, and here 13 plus 14 becomes 27. Right? Now this is the GP. They have common ratio, common ratio, ratio. So we will get AR, A2 is equal to AR. So A2 is 9 is equal to 3 is equal to R, 3 times 3, so 3 is equal to R. And if we take A3 is equal to A3 is equal to A R square. So it becomes 27 is equal to 3 R square. So it becomes 3 times 3 becomes 9. So 9 is equal to R square. So taking root over both sides. So R is equal to plus minus 3 or R is equal to 3. So if we get this, it means they are in GP. So our number is, these numbers are correct, right? This is, we have GP. Now if we take D is equal to 18, if we take D is equal to 18, if we take D is equal to 18, then what happens? First, there is change in AP. AP becomes AP 7 minus D, 7, 7 plus D. When D becomes minus 18, so 7 minus 18, minus 18, here is 7 and here is 7 plus minus 18. So you get 7 plus 18, comma 7, comma 7 minus 18. So you get 25, 25, 7 and minus 11, minus 11. Right. Now the AP is like this. This is when D is 14, then AP is this. Now again, if you add plus 2, it becomes 27. Plus 2, you get, plus 2, then you get 9. And when you do plus 14. So it becomes 3. So this is GP, right? So now AR, AR, oh, A1 is equal to AR and A1 is, no, A2 is equal to AR. So it is 9 is equal to 27R. So 1 upon 3. So R is equal to 1 upon 3. And when we take A3 is equal to AR square. So A3 is 3. So 3 is equal to 27. This is 27 R square. So it is 9. So 1 upon 9 is equal to R square. Taking root over both sides. So we get R is equal to plus minus 1 upon 3. So R is equal to 1 upon 3. So AP's number will be either 137 or 25 7 minus 11. And in both cases, when we are adding 2, 2 and 14, when we are adding 2, 2 and 14, then we get the in AP. So this is the solution of the question. So thank you. Thank you.